Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by listening to a clean sample of silence to capture background noise profile. Pause playback and select a few seconds of pure room noise. Use that sample to understand hum, hiss, and broadband noise types. Open the waveform display and look for steady tones near 60 Hz or peaks around other frequencies. Note low-end rumble under 80 Hz and broadband hiss above 2 kHz. This quick diagnosis guides which effects and settings you will apply next. With diagnosis complete, assign your clip as dialogue in the Essential Sound panel. Start with Repair Reduce Noise slider between 20% and 50% and listen for artifacts. Add a parametric equalizer and set a high-pass filter at 80 Hz to remove low-frequency rumble. For broadband hiss, add the denoise effect or adaptive noise reduction and set reduction between 10 and 20 dB. Sweep a narrow notch at 60 Hz if you identified hum, and adjust Q for minimal vocal impact. After initial processing, bypass and engage your effects to compare clarity and artifacts. Use a narrow notch filter at 60 Hz for hum and carefully adjust Q to avoid vocal thinning. If sibilance appears, add a de-esser and lightly compress with a 3 to 6 dB ratio. Check gain compensation and normalize final dialogue to about -3 dB LUFS for consistent levels. For severe problems, send the clip to audition for spectral repair or adaptive noise reduction. Finally, export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.